Alright, so how does the company make so much money to pay such a high percentages off? So let's check it out on the example of purchasing silver gift certificate, as there is the biggest percentage payback possible. The actual selling price of 1 gram of silver on a vitrine is 150 Ukrainian hryvnias, which is about $6 but for us as the company to make this 1 gram of silver costs less than 30 hryvnias, and that's approximately only $1 or even less, so there we see that the added value is 500%. So when you buy a gift certificate on $1,000, on this amount of money we have ability to make a jewelry, put it on vitrine and sell it for $5,000. And then according to the table attached in the descriptions to this movie, we will be paying you regularly $50 each and every week during the entire year. So in such way you will receive your 2,600 of American dollars in total. Even after the last payment, you still are free to come to any of our shops and exchange your gift certificate. For us as the company manufacturer, the productional cost of your certificate is $240. Alright, so now in the end of the year we have to pay you $2,840, but if you remember, a year ago we have manufactured, put in vitrine and sold a jewelry for a total cost of $5,000. And so there we see that after all cash payments on percentages to you, the company B2B Jewelry has its own retained earnings. Okay, so how do we work with the gold? When you buy from us 1 gram of gold, on this money we can make 2 grams of gold. If you buy 2 grams of gold, we make and put in vitrine 4. Then, buying 4 grams of gold, we make and put in vitrine 8, then 16, and so on and so forth. So, I hope that it's clear that the company grows on its weight, production and of course on the money flowing when you receive your equal and regular payments during the year. Other words, when here we grow in geometric progression, there we pay you on your percentages. So, as you can see, the arithmetics or the payment we make will never be able to reach the geometry. If you would like to hear more about this project, don't forget to subscribe and use the QR code to get registered in B2B Jewelry project.